In this very building, in 1575, Francesco de Medici opened the first porcelain factory in all of Europe, an ambitious attempt to rival the treasures of the East. Only 59 pieces have survived today, offering rare and invaluable insight into the art, science, and courtly ambitions of Renaissance Florence. Among the surviving pieces, one stands out: a plate adorned with a grand ducal coronet and the 6 balls of the Medici coat of arms, which I'll return to later in the video. The porcelain workshop, founded by the Grand Duke in the 1560s, was devoted to replicating the prized blue and white porcelain imported from China. After nearly a decade of experimentation, Medici craftsmen succeeded, not in producing true hard-paste porcelain, but a European innovation: soft paste. This fine white ceramic, decorated with vivid cobalt blue, was an extraordinary technical achievement for its time. One of the most striking surviving pieces depicts the suicide of King Saul, falling on his sword, a dramatic scene based on an engraving by Hans Sebald Beham. It is one of the most elaborate narrative compositions ever painted on Medici porcelain. That very plate is also uniquely signed on the back with Medici symbols, linking it directly to Francesco I himself. It features a grand ducal coronet and the 6 balls of the Medici coat of arms. Technically demanding and prohibitively expensive, Medici porcelain was produced in very small quantities. With Francesco's death in 1587, production sharply declined and never resumed. Today, those 59 surviving objects remain a fragile but brilliant legacy of artistic ambition and Renaissance ingenuity. If you like this story, leave me a happy smile in the comments to cheer me up.